In this video, we'll explain the common sensor types used with the RVsecure PlatinumX Genesis. Sensors are what allow Genesis to detect movement, doors opening, equipment being disturbed, or safety alarms being triggered. A PIR sensor detects movement inside the vehicle. It is used for internal protection and will activate when it detects a person moving around. In night mode, PIR and motion sensing are isolated so you can move around inside without setting off the alarm. A reed switch is a two-part sensor normally used on doors, hatches, or storage compartments. When the door opens and the magnet moves away from the sensor, it activates. Your PlatinumX Genesis comes with one PIR and one reed switch as part of the kit. A cable loop protects portable equipment outside the RV, such as bikes, camping furniture, generators, or other gear. If the loop is disconnected or disturbed, it can trigger the alarm. Genesis also supports other sensor types, including wired inputs, auxiliary power alarms, auxiliary alarm inputs, water sensors, carbon monoxide sensors, gas sensors, and camera-triggered inputs. When adding a sensor, it's important to choose the correct sensor type. The sensor type controls how Genesis responds when that sensor is activated. Once added, each sensor is assigned to a zone. If the alarm is triggered, Genesis can show which zone caused the activation, making troubleshooting much easier. That's the basic sensor overview for the RVsecure PlatinumX Genesis.